Alright guys, today we're approaching the finishing steps for Christine. But we have to finish the trunk, we have to finish inside, welding the side. And well, we got a plan for the trunk right off camera. We got a piece, which is a piece of wood I'm going to trace over cardboard over and cut it down to the size. And stick it in here, get some metal, and finish this trunk. Finish up these sides areas. Fill the little holes in there. And as today's Tuesday and Thursday, we're gonna paint in there. Maybe Friday, we will do some speaker wiring. I don't know what else, but we also find out because hopefully we'll get done with this trunk. So let's waste no more time and start. Oh, sorry. For better preference, what we're gonna do right there, that metal we're gonna do, see that wood, get some big cardboard that I have somewhere right there, trace it over, try to get the size, then we're gonna fit it into there, then cut it out and try to put it there, cut the metal out that's right over down there, paint it up in there, finish in here. What we have to do still for finishing up in here, I need to do that. Whoops, that. And there's a hole there, and that's it. And do more reinforcements for that. And find a cap for that. Then run some speaker wires. And we'll go from there, guys. Alright. Let me get you down here. Watch. Got this area there, there, and that piece. Hold on. Whoa! Stupid bumper. And I got there and there all done. So I am now gonna move on into here. All right. Gonna cut off a piece from there, for there, and for there, and there. And after all of that, I am done for welding for the day. Going to get the cardboard thing and measure it, do the thing. So I'll get back to you guys once I'm done with these. Okay, bye. All right. I'm done for welding for the day, but you can look. I put that there. Then right where that light is shining, I'll put a little thing there. And I put something there. And I just freaking broke the weld. Well, that's not on me. That's on that stupid thing. Well, I am not doing no more welding today. But I'll tell you what else I'm doing today. I'm tracing out this wooden thing, adding a little bit extra, then going in the car and trace that out, then cut that out. I'm going to go put you guys on time lapse so you guys can watch too. Well, as you can see, I got it cut out. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring it in here. Oh, whoops. What I forgot to do is cut out the back. So I'm gonna go cut out the back and be right back to you guys. All right, that's enough for today. I'll be back out here Thursday, but we got it. I'm gonna trace with a little bit more from that side onto one of the sheet metals over there. A little bit less from the back. Pretty much trace it just like this. More that way, here, a little bit more here. Yeah, so yeah, I'll be doing that Thursday. After that, we'll go paint. Or we're gonna paint, then do that. I don't know. I'll be there. See you guys then. All right, today, guys, we will be painting. That will be Rust-Oleum, whatever it is. That will be the kind of paint I'll be using. I got it all vacuumed up off camera, so I don't have to waste any of your guys' time. Oh, let's waste no more time and start painting. So let me find a perfect position for you. Well, let's get started. All right. Also, after you're done using this paint, I'll recommend using paint thinner and put like a Walmart bag or any garbage bag right over it so it dries off or it don't dry out, and make sure none of that is all dirty up or full of paint. Because then that paint will go bad inside. But yeah, see, I recommend using good gloves instead of stupid, cheap rubbery gloves like that. 2 layers and I still got paint. This one ain't as bad, but yeah. So as it's drying up, you may notice it looks pretty nice in here, huh? Yeah, some people might go, "Oh, really? You just painted over the nice original paint. You just decreased the value to it." Well, if we're gonna leave the original paint, might as well just leave the original holes and stuff. That was a hole. That was a hole. Over there was a hole. Icky. Everywhere there was patches. Here was a hole. Drop a like and comment down below if you like this. Maybe I'll get links in description for the paint I use. But Rust-Oleum's a good paint, tractor paint. Look at that. I didn't paint everywhere because everywhere didn't need to get paint, and there's tar there. And so the nice new color, the original. I like this. The air is dry over there, so I don't think I could do anything else today. This is Friday. 3 o'clock. I spent forever getting this all fitted up. Now, wow, that looks good. How many videos have I had of this with no trunk panel? I don't know, but wow, it's gonna get a trunk panel. So I'm gonna go weld this up, and hopefully this metal will work for the welder. I'll get back to you guys when I'm hopefully done. Well, if it's not when I'm done, oh boy, I will. Yeah. All right, guys, I'm done for now. But tonight I'll come back out here and finish most of it up. But tonight I'll do outro and I'll edit this tonight maybe or tomorrow. But you can see it's decent. It's poor. Yeah, you see, I ran out of welding wire, so that's why that ain't perfect. It's all good, but need to do lots more welding in the back, fill up that area, re-weld that brace there, do more welding on the sides and here. Then we're good. Then no more welding for the inside. Okay, so I'll be out here tonight, guys. Ooh, spooky hour. Yeah. Well, like I said, I'll be back. I'm out here tonight because I need to end this video. And my goal for tonight is just to get that stable, maybe get that better and back there. I want to be okay for me to push on. Like tomorrow or Sunday or even have to be Monday. My goal is to get another T there, fill that up so I can actually put stuff in there. I don't want to sit in it because I'll break it. My welds aren't good enough. I need a lot more practice if I want to sit on my welds, but waste no more time. Let's get into it. Woo. All right. Hold on. Now, there we are. We got the trunk. We got the trunk. We got the trunk in. Let me move the jack stand. Because we got the trunk. Look at that. Welds broke back there because I didn't. Oh, sorry. There we are. They broke back there because I didn't have it set long enough on the pre-existing metal. That was my mistake. Nothing broke. Only on that side, but oh yeah, we got the trunk panel in. Wow, you guys never saw it in here. the trunk in this car. Wow, that looks really good. So, sorry, but I'll probably have lung cancer now for breathing in the smoke from the welder. That was a fake cough, so I'm just kidding. But I did breathe in some stuff, but hold my breath most of the time. But yeah, so either tomorrow or whatever day, I'll finish it off camera. I won't do no more welding for Christine on camera. If you do, guys, let me know in the comment section below. Not like why did they do that, but yeah. So sorry we didn't get those speakers and wires in. That'll be next time. But let's end the video. All right, guys, that's it for this week's video. What we got done, we painted the inside. We got the trunk 99% done. It's better than I thought it would be. I thought it'd be like 75% done, but 95% done. Just need to do a little bit of extra welding at the top. Then I need to go underneath and see if I need to do any bracing anywhere else. But whew. I think that's just wind. I don't know. Just yesterday, there was a thunderstorm in February. A thunderstorm with lightning and thunder in February in Midwest. Yeah, that's insane. But what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you guys want. Actually, I don't know if we'll do a video on Christine next week because we really just need to put everything in. We need wires for speakers. We need speakers. And hey, any company out there wants to sponsor me for some speakers and stuff, feel free. I get a couple hundred views per video. And I don't think anyone will sponsor me anytime soon, but we need to do speakering. We need to do carpeting. We got the carpet we found it at Menards, but we need the sound detonating stuff first. Also do that, the carpet, put the seats in, the wiring first, then the sound detonating stuff, then the carpet, then the seats, and yeah. Then inside is 100% done. The trunk, finish welding that up, do sound detonating stuff, some special carpet in there, do the gas tank, do the gas lines, brake lines, the brakes, yeah. They're good, but we need to bleed them again. Yeah, I forgot to weld 5 cents in here, but oh well, something else in there. But man, I think I'll do a video on the sunliner next week. We're gonna put the grill in, get it running more than 5 seconds. I don't know what else you want to see on it. Comment down below. And this week's word of the week: Duke. D-U-K-E, Duke, the vacuum. That's the word of the week. And we still need carb kit for one of those for Ruby. Need to fill up that tire. Yeah. We're getting really close, guys. Really close. So please go check out Classic Car Revivals, Whiskey Events, High Oktane Garage. 117 Garage, I think it is. Outdoor Garage. Who else? I said Whiskey Dance, Classic Car Revivals. Hodgepodge Dog Garage and Roadside Rescues. I apologize, anyone who I'm forgetting. I'll have links to you to them in the description. So let's try to get 7. No, that's too high. 6 likes for sunliner video. Yeah, everybody, thank you so much for 238 subscribers. Wow. So maybe we get 500 this year. I don't know. But you guys, right now, you guys are my sponsors. So I'll see you guys next video.